Here I have VIVO Y17, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it. In that case, what you have to do is to restart your device. I mean, you have to turn it off by holding down power key, and after device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option recovery mode. So as you can see here at the recovery mode, everything is in Chinese, so we have to use the help of modern day technology to peek into this ancient Chinese text. So we select this option clear data, then we select clear all data, like the last option. Then it asks you like clear data, sure. And then it asks you for PIN once again, which not allows us to actually reset it. Okay then.